Namaste. Today we are decoding something very subtle but yet deeply meaningful, which is about why we never show our back to the audience or the deity, especially after the performance ends. You all must have observed that at the end of a Bharatanatyam recital or at the end of a practice session, a dancer always walks backwards using Anjali Hasta slowly by joining just two hands, or even exits sideways into the wings without showing the back. We just don't turn around and show our back and walk off. Why? Because it's a sign of reverence. In Indian classical dance, the stage is not considered just as a platform, but it is considered something very sacred, a space where we invoke the deity. So just like in temples, how we never turn the back and leave, similarly on stage, we never show our back to the audience either, because the audience are someone we are offering the performance to. This practice comes from the temple rituals. The priest in the ancient temples, after doing the puja, never just turn their back and walk off. They always walk in reverse, in silence and in complete surrender. Bharatanatyam was born in the temples of South India, and that's why the same amount of discipline and commitment is coming to the stage. We see the stage as an extension of the temple itself. We look at it as a Garbhagriha where we dance and offer the most of what we've got as an artist. It may look like a small detail, but to me, it really shows what Bharatanatyam actually is. It's full of discipline, devotion, and humility. When we exit in the most respectful way, it's more like we're telling the audience that thank you for letting us offer this dance to you, which gives a very respectful sign. If you are someone who always wondered why did they exit backwards always, now you know the answer for it. So make sure that you're following the GGG community to answer all your WH questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and learn more about Bharatanatyam every single day. I will see you in the next video. Namaskaram.